everybody. I am your host, Shikha Singh, and welcome to another episode of the podcast, your one stop shop for inspiration and creativity. It is all about real stories from real people. Today, we have a very wonderful and charming guest on the show, Supreet Singh, aka Your Guitar Guy. I met Supreet in the summer of 2022, and he had performed for us on our at our housewarming party. And needless to say, he was amazing. He's a very talented singer and artist, and he has his own album with around 12 songs now out on YouTube, and they're amazing. Just go check it out. He is not only hardworking, but has never given up on his dream of being a kick ass artist, singer, and a performer. Without saying any more things, let's go meet him and know a little bit more about his journey. Welcome, Supreet,
Hi
also known
guys.
as your guitar guy.
Thank you for having me, Shikha. It's a
No
pleasure to be on
problem
the
at
show.
all. How have you been?
I'm doing good. Yeah, I've been.
Congratulations on the amazing album on YouTube and all the songs. You have been killing it out there with the songs and the
Thank
videos
you.
and everything. It
Thank you.
was
Thank you. Yeah,
really great.
just trying my best. Just trying my best every day. So yeah, it's going good.
Okay, so let's get started. To all those who do not know, you can find Supreet and his amazing music and songs on YouTube, and he goes by the name Your Guitar Guy. Okay, Supreet, so I wanted to start out by asking you, how has your journey been so far? What all did you have to overcome to be at this stage today?
Yeah, so it's been ups and downs. But yeah, I had no idea that I'll be doing this. I did dream of it a few years back, long back, but I never had any idea like ये हो जाएगा in the coming time. But somehow it happened. I think it's just I was consistent and I just kept doing it again and again, again and again. And I think that's what paid me later on. So when I was four, like when I was a little kid, so I forgot, but my mom sent me a picture of me 2 years back on my birthday. So on my fourth birthday, I ordered a guitar cake. The cake had the shape of a guitar and it was very big cake. So everything, I was like, यार ये सारा कुछ लिखा ही हुआ था. It had to be. Like, it was meant to be happen like this. So like so जब fourth fifth में था I had this thing कि ठीक है मुझे गिटार बजाना I want to be a singer I want to like play guitar धीरे धीरे करते करते I don't know how it happened but it happened like somehow it happened and people have been very kind to me and they have supported me well. I did a show for you guys as well 2 years back.
Yes.
And then everything just वो जैसी खुद ही रास्ता बनता गया. I tried in my own thing, but these things they are out of my reach, right? I cannot go and talk to
Right.
people and ask them again and again to book me or something like that. So
Right.
वो होना ही है. So somehow it happened. Somehow it happened. Yeah, God has been kind.
How would you say, okay, Avi, you wanted to play guitar and you wanted to become an artist and musician. What made you pursue that dream even after you came to Canada? I saw you, I think 2 years ago, and then you went back to India, and
Yeah.
then your album came out. So,
Yeah.
what's the story? How did all that fall into place?
अरे कुछ नहीं है जस्ट तो ये वही है जो जब भी वॉट एवर आई लाइक जो मेरे दिमाग में उस टाइम पे आ जाता है सो फॉर मी इट्स कि जस्ट करके देख लो इफ थिंग्स गो वेल ठीक है नहीं हुआ तो फिर कुछ और ट्राई कर लेंगे सो इट्स जस्ट दैट हिट एंड ट्रायल थिंग कि भाई अगर ये सोच रहा हूँ अभी बैठा हूँ कि यार अगर ये करके देखता हूँ कि शायद ये बेटर हो जाए राइट so I just go after that. I just get it done. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't happen, chalo, then now let's find the new route to the same thing. So the India जाने का plan I had from a very long time. I wanted to go back and I wanted to take a long break from everything just to focus on my music. I started releasing songs in 2019-20. So I released a few. But then I couldn't continue because the mindset was different at that time. I was like, okay, एक दो करते हैं. If it blew up, it blew up. Otherwise
Right.
live shows तो हो ही रहे हैं राइट आई थॉट कि चलो इंडिया चलते हैं आई हैड अ फ्यू वीडियोस टू शूट व्हिच पर्टिकुलरली आई थॉट कि इंडिया में ही शूट हो सकती है बिकॉज देयर वाज दिस सॉन्ग इफ आई डोंट नो इफ यू हैव सीन द वीडियो खुद की तलाश
Yes.
so that song you cannot shoot it in Canada it had to be in India.
In India.
So that was the particular song ki jiski wajah se I went back. And then I stayed there for 7 months. And then just worked on my music, recorded few songs, 7, 8 songs. And then I was like, chalo, let's now focus on the strategy of releasing one song per month. And then I started following that. But थोड़ा बहुत ठीक है उसका response आया, and then things were not as I thought they would be. जो usually it happens, I don't know, with everybody it's the same thing. जो आप सोचते हो usually it's not like वो हो जाता है. You just have to like keep going, right? So ये करते करते then I went out of funds. Then I didn't want my parents to pay for my music. Then I was like, भाई, let me go back. Let me earn my money. Let me put it into my music again. So I came back again. Yeah.
That is so cool. So remind me again, you came to Canada first as a student,
Yeah.
correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
So what was the first step? Where did you realize that, okay, I know I have this talent and I can perform well and I have to do something about it? When did you realize that?
So there was this show in 2014 in India. So it's like I've always been that type of guy who's very confident. So like I don't know, it's my trait. Like I don't even try for that. It's natural. Even if like 100, 200 people are standing in front of me, if I'm asked to give a speech as well, I'm like completely fine with that. I don't have that thing like I don't want to go on stage or anything. Completely
So
fine.
no stage
Yeah,
fear at
no,
all.
no, not at all. Zero stage fear. So 2014, I had a friend. So uska naam hai Tanveer. So he's the one who taught me guitar. So I knew him like from college. So this thing happened in Jammu and I don't know Jammu or Kashmir. Like in दोनों में से एक जगह पे there were floods. So our college decided to gain some funds and then to send it back to them. They decided to put on a show in Elante Mall. It's a mall in Chandigarh. The organizer knew me. He was a friend. He was like, bro, you are very confident. Why don't you like just perform and people might like it and they'll put some money and then we can just use
Right.
that. So I got all my friends there. I got Tanveer and his band as well. So I just told them, okay, you play, I'll sing along you. So there was this song, I still sing it on all my gigs. It's called Tum Hi Ho. I've performed it for you guys as well.
Yes,
So I sang that. Then, like I couldn't realize I went out of scale. Everything was so bad. I was sounding so bad on stage. I don't know, my third, fourth performance, and I thought I was so good, but I wasn't. So I just went on to perform. I performed, and later on the videos, like everybody shot the videos, and the thing came out. There was these people in my class. They came and started taunting me. They're like, "Yeah, तू बहुत singer बन रहा है" and stuff. That line only is the scene like why I'm a singer right now. That one line कि तू बड़ा singer बन रहा है. They were like taunting me. I was like, "Yeah, bro. Like I'll show you." And then suddenly, like I was a professional FIFA player in India as well. So after I won a good number of tournaments, I thought I should just now leave this thing because I cannot go far in that. Because उस time पे जितना कर सकते थे उतना कर दिया था. कि उस time पे उतनी ही opportunity थी and I did my best and I won a lot in Bangalore, Hyderabad, everywhere I won a lot. Then I was like, bro,
nice.
I think it's time to switch careers now. So fourth में I had interest in music. Then somehow FIFA, FUFA and all these things happened. And then later on again, the music thing came back.
Good.
So and
So
yeah,
somehow you figured out
somehow.
a way to get back to music.
Yes. So then, like 2017, I left my job. I got a job in Pune in Wipro. So I went there for like 4 months. Things didn't go well. मेरे को वैसे नहीं अच्छा लगा भाई. वो बहुत atmosphere वैसा था and they were not allowing me to wear my sneakers and stuff to the workplace. I was like भाई ये नहीं हो पाएगा. My brain has nothing to do with what I wear. Like so intellectuality is a whole different thing. How you dress doesn't define how you are in person and how your mind works, right? मैं भाई नहीं करना फिर. So 4 months later on, so I left the job. Then I came home. Then I thought कि यार अब like I should learn singing.
Right.
Then I started going to a teacher. उन्होंने सिखाया जितना वो सिखा सकते थे. I just भाई मुझे गाना है. So like teach me the basics and stuff. So I started working on my voice and then I came in here. ऐसे ही randomly मैंने ad डाली थी Kijiji पे like I do shows like if anybody is interested. I had no idea. So like there was no culture of house parties कि जिसमें वो बंदा बुलाते हैं and जिसमें वो perform करता है. They never had this culture.
Right.
मैंने ऐसे एक
True.
दिन बैठे सोचा मैं क्या यार पार्टी होती है घर पे लाइक वी डिड अ फ्यू पार्टीज एंड आई वाज लाइक भाई घर पे होते हैं बैठते हैं बातें करते हैं म्यूजिक सुन लिया नाच लिए उसके बाद कुछ भी नहीं है करने को लाइक यू
Correct.
लाइक मैं तो पीता भी नहीं हूँ लाइक आई डोंट इवन ड्रिंक सो दैट्स आल्सो अ डिफरेंट प्रॉब्लम लाइक कि वो करके वो कर रहे हैं मैं बैठ के देख रहा हूँ पर ये नहीं कि why don't we cater them, like को बोलते हैं कि like so this is what I do कि एक सर्विस प्रोवाइड हो रही है आपको, सो लाइक योर पार्टी लाइक इज फॉर 4 hours, तो 4 घंटे तो आप नाच भी नहीं सकते, 4 घंटे आप बात भी नहीं, ऐसे 1 घंटा आई विल कम टू योर प्लेस, आई विल सिंग फॉर यू गाइज, आई विल गिव यू गाइज अ गुड टाइम, देन आई लीव। सो ऐसे करके शुरू किया, फिर करते करते यार हो ही गया, फिर होता ही रहा। मैं कहा, ठीक है चलो, समथिंग राइट, बट यार नोबडी बिलीव्ड इन द स्टार्टिंग कि ये ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा, बट जब हो गया फिर सडनली सभी हो गए हमारा दोस्त है। मैं नहीं हूँ दोस्त तुम्हारा।
As usual,
आई एम
as
नॉट योर
usual. वो
फ्रेंड।
सबका वही है
Yeah, that's what.
कि nobody is going to contact you when you're, when you're nobody. But then suddenly when you're on the map, everyone's like, oh yeah, I used to
हाँ
work
हाँ
with
जी,
her,
हाँ
I
जी।
used to go to school with her.
You won't believe, like I'm making this separate diary in which I'm writing the name of the people who are
Really?
yeah, who are like doing this, and later on I know they'll be like bhai he's our friend, I'm like bhai nahi, that I even told them on the face ki bhai when the time will come and when you will say that you know me, don't get me wrong, but I'll say it in front of everybody that I don't know you. It's not like if you're not
You're
supporting
not
me,
going to pretend.
yeah, I'm not gonna pretend. People don't, it's not even their mistake, man, they can't see your potential, simple as that. Only you can see your potential.
True.
That's what the scene
But
is. Yeah, yeah.
what I liked about you the most is that you never stopped. Because for someone like me, at least, we came to Canada in 2020 from the US, and we only had one friend from Omaha, and he also used to live in North York or East York. So there was nobody who we knew in Kitchener. And so we just started going out to restaurants, and that's how one day I was looking for good restaurants, and then Anoki popped up. And then they
Yeah,
had a post or a story that said, oh, today we have live
yeah,
music
yeah,
performance. And
yeah,
then your name came up, and they had tagged you, or your name was there, and that's how I looked at your profile and everything.
yeah,
Okay, so
yeah.
how did you even get that, thought of traveling so far to different cities to play for everything, and then वो energy and वो कहाँ से आया?
भाई पता नहीं, मैं वही तो कह रहा हूँ, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता ये कैसे हो रहा है, आई डोंट नो, आई हैव नो आइडिया, आई हैव नो आइडिया, ऑल आई डू इज लाइक मैं बस
For
बैठ के
sure.
आई जस्ट कीप थिंकिंग कि ओके ये करना है, एंड देन आई गो एंड डू इट। सो लाइक फॉर मी आई डोंट केयर व्हाट पीपल आर सेइंग, आई डोंट नो कोई क्या क्या बोल रहा है, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं है, बिकॉज वो मुझे करना इतना पसंद है ना यार, आई लव टू बी ऑन स्टेज, आई लव टू परफॉर्म। पता नहीं क्या हो जाता है, लाइक यू वोंट बिलीव, लाइक इवन समटाइम्स लाइक कुछ रेस्टोरेंट्स थे, लाइक दे ओपनड अप राइट, कि अभी अभी ओपन ही हुए थे, एंड दे नेवर हैड लाइक सो मच ऑफ रश एंड पीपल कमिंग इन, सो देयर वुड जस्ट बी वन टेबल एंड आई वुड गो देयर, आई वुड जस्ट परफॉर्म फॉर देम। तो वो क्या होता था, जब मैं परफॉर्म कर रहा था, आई यूज्ड टू लाइक क्लोज माय आईज एंड आई यूज्ड टू लाइक थिंक कि ओके सो दिस इज अ सोल्ड आउट अरीना और समथिंग, एंड आई एम परफॉर्मिंग टू देम एंड एवरीबॉडी सिंगिंग दैट सॉन्ग्स बैक टू मी, सो दैट्स व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू।
Nice.
वो पता नहीं यार, वो उसमें मजा ही इतना है ना यार, कि वो लगता ही नहीं कि काम है, यू वोंट बिलीव, एक दिन था, आई डिड 3 parties, one restaurant gig and 2 house parties, so I went on to sing for like 7.5 hours,
Wow.
and next day,
Really?
yeah, and then next day in the morning I had a show at 12:30 again. I was like so pumped about यही तो, this is what I always wanted to do, and right now I'm doing it, so it is something
That
else.
is so amazing though. Congratulations. Because
Yeah,
that's not an easy task.
I,
Computer ke samne 7.5 hours itself, I don't think anybody's sitting
yeah,
these
I
days
know,
and then doing it. That is
yeah,
great. Commendable. And the growth that I've seen in you, Supreet, in the last 2 years, just by following you on Instagram, I think itself is highly commendable
thank you,
plus inspiring.
हाँ जी, thank you.
It is so good to see how you've changed and the amount of effort that you put into, and like you said, you love doing this, and it clearly shows in your videos, in your song, the way you sing, the way you perform. So I think that's really crazy and that's really good. I think you already touched on this, but I wanted to ask you officially, how does being an artist pay you?
Pay me,
Yeah, yeah.
हाँ बस ठीक है, रोटी खा लेते हैं, ठीक चल रहा है। अरे नहीं, सो द थिंग इज, ये आप कह लो यार, स्टिल आई कांट बी लाइक कि मैं मतलब एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकता, इट्स स्टिल ये इट्स टोटली गॉड्स ग्रेस, एंड आई नेवर इवन यूज्ड टू बिलीव इन गॉड फ्रैंकली, सो ये हो गया, एंड देन अगर इतना कुछ हो रहा है ना, ये तू तो नहीं कर रहा ब्रो, इट्स तेरे हाथ में नहीं है, इट्स हैपनिंग, So कुछ तो कर रहा है, कोई तो कर रहा है. If not me, then somebody is doing it for you. And वो ये पे ठीक ठाक कर देते हैं भाई, महंगे मुंगे एक दो शूज ले लो बस, सारे में ठीक है. ठीक है.
So, if you had to give a suggestion or an advice to someone who is starting off now and who wants to be you, what would you tell them?
मैं
Knowing
तो
what you know now.
मैं हाँ, वो कोई गल नहीं हो, ठीक है. बट द थिंग इज कि डोंट टेक एडवाइस फ्रॉम एनीबडी, जस्ट गो डू, दैट्स इट. Because I was,
Sure.
so this is what I have learned from all my past things. Don't take advice. Because if somebody, okay, so now if, for example, if you are a writer, right? So you write.
Okay.
I can't, so if I'm an astronaut, so our professions are different. How can I give you advice on your writing? And how can you tell me how can I fly a missile to the moon or something, right? It's not possible. I know it sounds weird, but people would be like कि नहीं भाई, थोड़ा बहुत तो फिर भी कोई कुछ बता दे. कुछ नहीं बता सकते bro. They are also on their own path. वो अपना कर रहे हैं. वो ऐसे ही तुमने पूछ लिया, वो ऊपर ऊपर से बोल दें भाई तू ये क्यों नहीं करके देख लेता, right? But
Correct.
it's not a sure thing that that thing will work for you. No, I don't think. मैंने तो यही सीखा है यार. So like if it comes to your mind, so like even for you, like when I saw that you started doing podcasts and stuff, you won't believe I was very happy, because the thing is I have a friend, so he has been telling me this since 3 years now that he wants to start a podcast. I sent him your reel. I was like, bro, so I met this girl like this 2 years back. She started her thing and you are just wondering, you're sitting and thinking करूंगा is not the scene. या तो कर दो या फिर बात ना करो उस टॉपिक में. यही बस सीधी बात है, या तो कर दो जाके.
100%.
कि हो गया भाई, कर दिया कि बस अब रिजल्ट तुम्हारे हाथ में ही नहीं है. I was like, when I released my first song, I was like, भाई this song will blow up and my life will suddenly change. नहीं हुआ. Then I dropped the second song. फिर मेरे को same thing कि अब now it will change. वो फिर नहीं हुआ. Drop third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Now 12 songs are out. Life still hasn't changed. But with that consistency now, the only thing that is in my mind is कि I can't control when my life will change.
Correct.
The only thing I can control is just keep doing it. Go do it and just put it out. Let's see what happens. And people will also come and tell you. I get advices without even asking. भाई तू ये गाना कर ले, भाई तू कैची नंबर निकाल दे, भाई तू ऐसा कर दे कुछ. अरे bro, how? Okay, निकाल दिया कैची गाना. What if it doesn't blow up? Then क्या? Then what's your reason? कि सामने वाले को पूछो. Then what do you have to offer more? कि इसके अलावा क्या एडवाइस है भाई? नहीं चला, अच्छा आप बता क्या करें. So people can't tell you what you have to do. भाई तुम्हारी जर्नी है, तुम्हारी लाइफ है, just go live it. Just do what you want because you have a very limited amount of time. I turned 30 this year and I'm like भाई
Welcome to the club.
and I'm like भाई, life is running like crazy and just keep doing what you love. And क्योंकि end में I've seen my friends, everyone, like trust me, everyone, 100% rate, everyone is frustrated in their life. I don't see happy faces. I don't see my friends happy. And when somebody tells you, right, कि यार मुझे कल काम पे भी जाना है, it means like भाई they are not happy. They are making such a dull face. Bro, I have to wake up for work. What is this? What is this? भाई एक जिंदगी मिली है तो वो कर लेना जिसमें मजा आ रहा है. करके देख ले भाई, क्या पता हो ही जाए. 100 people will tell you what if it doesn't work, but you should tell yourself what if it does. कि एक बार अगर हो गया ना भाई, so then it's done. Then you don't have to worry about anything. Right now, if I tell you like my financial scene is not going very well, I'm in a bit of crisis, I would say. Not too much into crisis, but 70% into crisis. 30% I'm still doing fine, because the recession and everything has affected my business as well. And as you know, I have been doing music since 5 years. I've been performing since 5 years now, and I've been self-employed since 4 years now. So this has affected me, but that's what it is. Like still I got an offer from a restaurant recently to work as a manager there, just on the basis of how I talk, because I have no experience. They were like, we just need somebody who's confident, who can just talk to customers. I was like, yeah, I can do that. I got an offer. I went there like on last Friday. I went there to do the job, and like next day Saturday I quit. I said I can't do it. And they were like, why? I said, no bro, this would take a lot, like all my life, all my time, this thing is gonna take. I won't be able to go to the gym. I won't be able to eat properly. No sleep patterns, no writing music, no performing. नहीं भाई, नहीं करना. So I was like, I'll rather just be on the streets, homeless रह लेंगे, but ये काम नहीं होगा भाई, ये नहीं होगा.
Like,
Yeah.
see, that's is what I think most of the people lack is that zeal that you just have, that
Hmm.
abhi jo aap bole ke because it's not going to work out for you, you don't find happiness in it, I'm not going to do it. I don't think most people have that in them because they would rather not like doing their full-time jobs and be like that forever than doing something that they love and then waiting for it even if they don't get paid for it. I don't know how. That is what I'm trying to find out, like, where are you getting all this from?
कुछ नहीं, बस ऐसे ही, मतलब दिमाग खराब है, आर्टिस्ट के दिमाग खराब होते हैं. Like seriously, this is the fact. Like I have a friend, he works in this IT company. His name is Mayank, the guy who wants to start a podcast but haven't done it yet. So we talk every day, like for 2 to 3 hours every day. Our calls are scheduled, so randomly he'll call me in the morning, I'll call him in the night. So this happens. So we talk, like the whole thing is ki what we figured out is mostly people are just thinkers. They'll just sit, think, make a scenario in their mind कि भाई ऐसा करके फिर ऐसा हो जाएगा, फिर ऐसे कर देंगे, फिर we'll earn this much money, that much. And no, they are just, वो उसी में satisfied हो जाते हैं कि भाई सोच लिया ना, अब हो गया. Yeah. What you can do is कि ये sacrifices ही हैं, like you can make it now and later on you can enjoy in life. Or what you can do is like फिर मरते रहो. I have a friend, उसका scene ये है कि he's like, bro, I'll retire at the age of 40. He's working in IT company and he's like, भाई कि 40 में I'll retire. He's 30 now. I'm like, bro, 10 years तू mentally तो तू जिंदा ही नहीं रहेगा ना उसके बाद. भाई,
The crime.
whenever I call him, I swear to God, I swear on my music, being very frank, whenever I call him, भाई, how are you? What's happening? He's like, bro, online मजदूरी चल रही है. This is the word he uses. I'm a corporate slave. And then you're like, bro, then I told him, bhai, kyun? And the other thing is that people are like, bhai, you found your passion, but we don't know what our passion is. How many things have you tried? How many things have you just tried going to a job? Okay. So, bhai, passion नहीं मिल रहा. We just went to our job. भाई करेगा तो पता लगेगा ना.
True.
कैसे पता लगेगा? How have, like, you found out that you want to do a podcast? You tried, right?
Yep.
You
Yes.
tried, you had fun, you were like, भाई इसमें मजा आ रहा है, ये कर लेती हूँ साथ साथ,
Yes.
right? लोग करते ही नहीं है. लोग कर लाइक कि काम से घर आ गए, हाँ खाना बनाया, सो जाओ, नेटफ्लिक्स लगा लो, 2 घंटे बैठ के देख लिया, हाँ ओके है. नहीं यार, ऐसा नहीं होता यार. ये तो मतलब मेरे को तो नहीं चाहिए ये लाइफ. मेरे को रादर ठीक है भाई, स्ट्रगल्स के थ्रू जाओ. स्ट्रगल भी नहीं है यार, इट्स ऑल हसल. लाइक स्ट्रगल, आई डोंट इवन लाइक द वर्ड, वो एकदम से ऐसे मुंह से आ गया, बट इट्स ऑल हसल. It's all a part of that thing. You tell me, like, जितने बड़े बंदे हुए हैं आज तक लाइफ में, who has made it like just like that? Nobody, right? Everybody goes through this thing. Everybody goes through financial crisis, health problems, mental problems, friends problem, girlfriend problem, wife problem. Everybody, and then later on they make it.
100.
And when they make it, they are like happy कि भाई अब तो done है, कि money is coming. Now we can do anything that we want. But
Right.
people, it's like कि they just don't want to go through that thing. They're like, find the easiest route. Okay, ये easy लग रहा है भाई कि जाओ, सुबह काम है, bills pay हो रहे हैं, बस that's it. And then you're like, okay, चलो, that's also a way of living if they want to live like that. Good for them. But then don't complain. Don't be like that guy कि भाई मजदूरी चल रही है. Don't be that. Yeah.
To correct, to each their own. I feel like everybody likes to choose the path with minimal effort. किसी को वो extra time, effort और patience. Like Simon and I were just talking, and I'm like, we have to come up with ideas and, we have to think about it. And so I'm brainstorming things with him and ideas with him for other episodes and this and that. And he's like, did you think it was going to be easy? It's not going to be easy. If it was easy, then everybody would have had a podcast
वही तो.
going. I'm like, yeah,
वही
that's
तो.
what, like, that extra effort, that one extra step is what many people don't do.
That's it.
But with that, I have another question for you.
Yeah.
What has been your favorite performance till date? Or kahan pe?
Yes, I've had like too many favorites. So there was so एक in particular has. So I went to Calgary for a gig. So this family, they booked me, like randomly. They saw me on internet. They sent me a text. I got booked, and I didn't. And the thing is, कि when we were talking, right, they didn't tell me that they are in Calgary. So I told them like the regular prices of like what I charge around. They sent me the deposit. Everything was okay. 1 month later, they're like, so you have to fly to this, and I was like, you guys never mentioned that. I would have charged you more. So, and then I was like, okay, that's fine. Just send me the tickets. The thing with me is कि एक बार जो कह दिया ना कि भाई इतना है, तो then I'm like कि भाई मुझे like I don't want more. So जब कह ही दिया है कि इतना चार्ज करना है तो इतना ही सही. That's fine. तो उन्होंने टिकट भेजी. I went. They had families coming from UK and US. तो बहुत big party थी. There were like 120 people in a house,
Wow.
backyard house. So very intimate, like सभी close ही खड़े हैं because वो उतना बड़ा लग रहा था कि बहुत भरा हुआ है, right? So I started performing and people were enjoying slowly, right? जैसे जैसे like sun came down, drinks went in. Then they were like, bro, and then I started performing. Literally, this guy is still in contact with me. He texts me after 2 weeks or so just to know how I'm doing, and he's very good guy. So his name is Candy. So Candy Paji is very like elder to me. So he brought a jug. So this big probably. He put some money in that, and then he told his friends and everybody, just fill this before this guy ends his performance.
How nice.
Trust me, the minimum note that in that jug was at $20. Nothing less than that.
Wow.
They filled the whole thing. On our way back to the hotel, I was in their same bus that dropped them to the home. So I was with them. They were like, so it's a 45 minutes journey. Why don't you sing for us? I said, okay. So then I took out my guitar again. I started singing. Whole 45 minutes, I did another gig for them. Every song I sang, they gave me money for that.
How sweet.
I
That
came,
is so good.
that was done. Everybody went to their room. I came to my room. I was changing. Somebody knocked. I went, opened. Again, Candy Pai was there. This guy gave me like $400-500 just for fun. He's like, bro, take it. I was like, why, Paji? No, I don't want your money. He's like, no. He's like, brother, you don't know what you have done. I was like, no, it's a normal thing. He said, no, you are not realizing. भाई तू हमारे perspective से नहीं देख रहा. And he was like कि भाई I have never seen people like कि जो एक बार बोला कि भाई perform for us and you were ready. You could have told us कि नहीं भाई I don't want to do it.
Yeah.
This is the thing I admire about you and I want you to be treated well. Take the money. He hugged me, gave me extra 500 for no reason. And that gig, like I don't know, it was booked for a very low price, but they ended up paying like way more.
More.
And that gig was one of my favorites. Then another one was in Mexico. I did one gig in Mexico. That went crazy as well. That went so crazy.
That
So
is
ऐसे ही है. These are the main which I can remember. And ऐसे ही करके I have too many.
nice. Okay, so my last question to you is going to be, how did your family support you in this journey? Were they on your side? Were they against it? क्योंकि you know India में
Yeah.
every parent's dream is something else.
Yeah.
And so how did that go?
They started supporting me from last year. So after 5 years, when some random uncles sent my videos to my dad back home, random people who knew my dad, they were here like in the city Brampton or Mississauga, I don't know. They saw me, they recognized me, they sent videos to my dad. They were like, your son is amazing, he's doing such a great job and stuff. Then my dad was like, okay, fine. So I think he's doing good. And then my mom as well. So when I told her that I want to be an artist and I want to like just pursue this, so before coming to Canada, she actually made me sit with her, gave me a lecture of like for 1 hour, just explaining to me that singing and these stuff are not for everyone. This is what she told me in that 1 hour. You won't be able to do this. You don't have what it takes. You have not been learning music. We don't come from a musical family. These things happen only to people who are from musical family. Everything she said. He's like कि एक में से ऐसे लाखों में से एक की किस्मत होती है and stuff like that. And the only पूरा lecture सुनने के बाद मैंने बस एक बात बोली, how do you know who's that one guy? If I'll try, then only I'll get to know if I am that one or not. If I am not, फिर उसके बाद क्या है भाई, जो randomly सारे job कर रहे हैं वो कर लूंगा मैं, it's fine. फिर क्या ही है, उसके बाद क्या ही है, खाना ही खाना है ना, रोटी खानी है, कोई चक्कर नहीं है। आई जस्ट नॉर्मली गो मैकडी मुकडी में लग जाएंगे कहीं, वहीं से बर्गर खा लिया, वहीं से पैक कर दिया, कोई चक्कर नहीं है। देन शी गेव अप ऑन मी, शी इज लाइक इसका दिमाग खराब है। क्योंकि कर हमेशा से लाइक आप मैंने किया तो वही है जो मेरा दिल किया। देन लेटर ऑन जब सारा कुछ हो गया, इतने गिग्स हो गए, आई डिड माय फर्स्ट 100 gigs, they were not impressed. I did 200, not impressed. And at 300, then they got impressed. They like भाई 300 gigs हो गए हैं। ऐसे I met like very well known people in GTA, around the GTA, जिनके बहुत बड़े बड़े business हैं, who are very well known. People know them. I met them. I even met Lily Singh at a party. And the
Wow,
only thing I was
nice.
the only thing that I was invited to that party particularly was because I was a wedding singer. Because I was a singer. I
Singer,
started
yeah.
singing. That's the reason they had me on that party. वरना why if ऐसी कोई normal job कर रहा होता थोड़ी उस party में बुलाते। I knew nobody, right?
Correct. Yeah.
So and then now they are fully in support. They are like do whatever you want because I proved them like a few things. I proved them in FIFA as well before they had their doubts because I left my job particularly for FIFA. I'm not able to play properly. My game is being affected and everything. I want to focus. I want to leave my job. Then I won 2 3 tournaments in a row. Then they were like ठीक है भाई सही कर रहा है चलो जीत के आओ because like you used to get money from that, right? In the end पेरेंट्स को तो पैसे ही चाहिए ना। देर लाइक कि बस भूखा तो नहीं मर रहा ना, ठीक कर लेगा। सो वही है तो। एंड देन अभी they are in full support. They're like if you need anything from money to any kind of support mentally or anything, we are there for you.
कहाँ पे?
Same.
That is so cool. Okay, so my last question to you, Supreet, is going to be, what are the future goals?
Future goals, I've stopped thinking about future. I've literally stopped thinking about future. कुछ नहीं है
So
because
you're
the
just going with the flow.
हाँ कुछ नहीं है bro. You can make as many plans as you want. You can do whatever you think is in your hands, but nothing is in your hands. है ही नहीं कुछ. I've stopped making any future plans. What I want to do is I want to after my songs blow up and when I'll start doing my show on a bigger scale and पर हो जाए सारा कुछ, उसके बाद बस एक दूर पहाड़ों में कहीं ले लेना है घर। और वो भी ऐसे नॉर्मल घर, कोई
Perfect.
फैंसी स्टफ नहीं चाहिए अपने को।
Right.
नॉर्मल घर ले लेना, 3 कमरे हों, सही है। और साथ में एक रख लेना कुत्ता। ठीक है। एक डॉग
Perfect.
एक डॉग रख लेंगे खुदा, और एक दो जो दोस्त हैं उनको रख लेना साथ में। एक PS5 हो और एक कमरा पूरा ऐसे एनीमे एनीमे उन्हीं में फुटबॉल रोनाल्डो मेसी।
Perfect. Perfect. Thank you so much, Supreet. It was a pleasure. I'm getting too excited. It was a pleasure having you on the show,
थैंक
and
यू।
बहुत 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 ज़्यादा मज़ा आया
हाँ जी,
आपसे बात करके।
मुझे भी।
And you are very talented, so keep going and do whatever you're doing. You're just doing an amazing job, and I don't know about the others, but at least I am really, really proud of you.
थैंक यू
So
थैंक यू
thank you for
थैंक यू।
everything,
हाँ जी,
Supreet,
हाँ जी, थैंक यू।
and
जल्दी खत्म हो
all
गया
the best.
पॉडकास्ट, थोड़ा लंबा होना चाहिए था, 1.5 2 घंटे का। 30
Next
मिनट्स।
time, but I
बिल्कुल जी,
really,
बिल्कुल।
really enjoyed it.
बिल्कुल जी।
All
ओके जी,
right,
टेक
thank you,
केयर।
Supreet. Bye
बाय।
bye.
बाय बाय।
All right. I hope you guys had a lot of fun getting to know Supreet a little bit more and his journey. And he had some valuable suggestions and life lessons that worked out for him in there. Let me know what you thought about this episode. I have linked Supreet's channel and everything, Supreet's Instagram handle and everything in the description box below. Go check it out. Thank you for all the subscribers on YouTube. Yay! Couldn't have done this without all your support. Needless to say, there's some interesting things coming up on the podcast and on the channel, so be sure to subscribe. Keep growing, keep glowing, and be yourself. We'll see you in the next video. This is your host, Shikha Singh, signing off. Bye bye.